How my favorite subscribers doing? So we only got one video up from the short week and me catching up from my vacation, but we'll make up for it this week, I promise. We went over Pioneer's limited D-series subwoofers. These things are pretty hard to find, but for a reason, they're pretty kick-ass. They provide lots of power, bass, and are pretty affordable. We're going over a compact amplifier about this big from Kenwood, the KAC-M3001. It does 300 watts RMS at 2 ohms. It's an absolute beast for its size. We tested it out and took our own power ratings, and it's pretty interesting compared to Kenwood specs. We'll also check out a new Singleton stereo from Power Acoustic, the PD348B, which is a DVD Singleton receiver, but doesn't have a motorized screen like most other Singleton receivers. It has a built-in 3.4-inch LCD screen. The screen looks really good, and for under $100, it's kind of a steal, so stay tuned for that stereo. And we'll get some other stuff in the works, maybe a Sony DSP or something like that. Alright, BJ, take it away. Don't you just love it when he stops talking? Alright, top comments. Christian Pereira. The way he pronounced his L's is humorous. Humorous? This is YouTube, guy. Put away your f***ing thesaurus. Oh, the way he pronounced his L's is humorous. Shut the up, Spider-Man. Say hello to your mother for me. Christopher Platt. Honestly, I have no idea Walmart version of Chris Pratt on the Pioneer AVH200EX doubled-in stereo. Samuel Lopes. I just purchased one on eBay for $45. Let's see how this goes. I bet $45 you can get a box of like f***ing gummy bears or some shit. On the photos from Italy, Mike B. Not only do I have to pee now, I didn't see one chick. Did you really even go, or are those postcards from the airport? Sorry man, your mom was taking the photos for me. On one of our mirroring videos, Jeffrey Newman. Info might be great, but takes a superhuman to assimilate it at such breakneck speed. Slow down the presentation. Sorry, it was rubbish. Let's take a look at that video and see how fast we actually talk. This adapter does not require an AV adapter or an HDMI. All it needs is a USB to transfer your phone screen to your radio screen. The actual harness for the SPA300 has the 3 RCA audio video outputs, plus it has power ground and trigger right here on the wiring harness. Seemed like a pretty slow pace to me. You know what, Jeffrey? I think you just don't know how to f***ing understand English. On another mirroring video, Angel Hurtado. If you have to control from phone anyway, why buy? P.S. You can't control from the radio, so why not just use your phone? F***ing stupid. Y'all are aggressive. Jake Ramiro 86. This guy killed the video by sounding like an idiot the whole time. That's literally word for word what your mother always says to me. Alex. So much information, my is hard from all the learning. No comment. John Wagner. I wouldn't mind someone holding my while I took a piss. God knows it's heavy as Mom said hello, by the way. Again, no comment. On the Soundstream VRN dual capacitive touchscreen stereo, Puss Mag. This ought to be appropriate. That's exactly what she wants. 2 7-inches. No comment again. I feel like I need to go get tested after that top comments. I'll see y'all later. That's it, everybody. You know the deal. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Dislike it if you hate it. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Leave some comments below and join the conversation. Go to qualitymobilevideo.com to get all of your car audio and video gear today with us. Get it from us today. Thanks for watching.